Welcome in this new Airless Discounter video. Today we are happy to present you the Airless Discounter Gold tapes. It's a new product that we introduced since January this year, 2021. We want to just show you quickly the characteristics of them in this video so that you may eventually try them later on. We wanted to really start from scratch and create a product that will really answer the demand and the quality and performances that people need on the job site when using Airless machines to paint, and so that they need to really protect all the surfaces correctly with a good tape which is not taking off the previous paint or causing some damage while simply protecting on the job site, so really doing its job properly. So let's just get on with the characteristics. So all of them, they are all in a length of 50 meters long. The width are going to be in 5 different sizes, so you will have the 19 millimeter, the 25 millimeter, 30, 38 millimeters, and the biggest that will be the 50 millimeters. So all of them again in 50 meters long. So now regarding the thickness of these tapes, so all of them, they have 90 micrometers thickness, so it's quite thin for these tapes, but at the same time they are extra resistant to not break in the middle of the taking off, for example, on the wall. So these tapes will be able to, when removing, to have really sides, lines, like paint cuts that are properly nice and not like having the paint running under it or something. One of the advantages will also that it's not leaving some glue when you're removing them, so they are also safe regarding this, and they have finally some UV rays protection, so you will be able to use these tapes inside and as well outside your job site. So regarding these products, it is difficult really to compare them to other products on the market because they are, as I said, completely new, and we made them from scratch to really have a proper one responding to the demand in Airless use in covering. So some customers says that they are comparable somehow with the tapes from the same color from other suppliers, from the most popular suppliers, but the best, as usual, is simply to try this new product and see if it really answers your needs on the job site. So next time eventually you order something online on our shop, please just feel free to add a tape and test it on your job site, and if you're happy, then that's perfect. Since the beginning of this sale in January, we have only good responses from customers, and everyone seems to be really happy from the quality of these tapes on the job site. So we are really happy and proud of it, and we just invite you to try them. So that's it for this quick video about the tapes. If you like it, then please leave us a comment below, share this video, and see you on the next one.